Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, we are back this week with another cruise tip for you. And this week's cruise tip, it's going to be an oldie. It's going to be one that we have mentioned before. It's going to be one that others have mentioned before. But with some of the stuff going on out there in the world today, I think it is definitely relevant if you are cruising right now. Which is why our cruise tip today is going to be always arrive to the cruise port a day early. You want to get there a day early before you're sailing, especially right now, and especially if you are flying. If you watch the news, read the news stories, you've seen it. Flights are being canceled by the hundreds, sometimes by the thousands. Flight delays, late flights, all that is just way up. And that's after you get through the long lines at the airport. They're short-staffed, don't have enough TSA agents, it's taking forever to get checked in, forever to get through security. If you're not getting there earlier and earlier at the airport, you're already running the risk of missing your flight. Then you get into the airport, and then you always have the possibility that your flight has been canceled, delayed, you've been moved, something like that. And if you are trying to fly into the cruise port the morning of your cruise, and you have to go through any of that happens and delays your flight, the chances of you missing your ship are going up and up and up with every new problem that the airline has. So if you are flying to a cruise port, you definitely want to fly in a day early. Now, of course, I always recommend that even if you are driving, you never know if you're going to have a traffic situation, an issue with your vehicle, something that can also cause you a delay. You never want to try to get there exactly when it's time for you to get on the ship, or at any time, when you are right there at the end of that window when that ship may depart without you. Don't want that happening to anybody. And right now, we all know it's tough. The price of hotels has gone up. The price of fuel has gone up. The price of pretty much everything has gone up right now. Which, of course, does make it harder to go there to the cruise port a day ahead of time. You got to budget a little bit extra for the hotel room and any of the necessities you're going to need at the cruise port prior to embarkation. But it's always better to be safe than it is to be sorry, and a little extra on a hotel room after you've spent 2-3 years saving for a cruise. It's a little bit of peace of mind that you will really appreciate. If nothing else, it gives you time to relax, unwind. If you got any jet lag, tired from traveling, you can get in a hotel room, relax, have a little bit of dinner, get some rest, wake up the next day refreshed and ready to get on your cruise ship and enjoy that vacation that you've been really looking forward to. So again, that is our cruise tip for today. Always arrive at the cruise port a day early so you don't risk missing your cruise. All right, I hope everyone has enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow, and like always, we'll just let you know next time we have a video coming out. Hope everyone has a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.